This one is so fun to do with even those short nails. You can do it like dogger as you go back and forth a couple more times. Or you can just want to be just a light green. You can just stop it at just one coat. It's up to you, however you prefer. Make sure you shake it well before you like apply it on. And all you need is crystal clears with me. Hi Michelle, how are you? Hi Teresa. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in from Facebook. Thanks so much for sharing and tuning in every day. Hey Laurie, I know those gorgeous flowers such as time saver. Oh, you absolutely right, because I'm looking at it, so oh my god, it's just gonna be really saving so much time for me. Like yesterday we did it the designs in such a no time, so it's really helping us. Like a lot of clients love to have super cute 3D flowers, and sometimes it takes time if you have a tight schedule and then you want to create some fun. It's just like a crystal placement. You get everything there. You can also create it with using a 4D gels and acrylic as well. But how can you able to utilize your times and make clients happy and upsell your services? This is absolutely is time saver, life saver, time saver, whatever you can call and name it. So I'm really like this look. Every single time you're using fusioning, it's gonna turn out a different like look. It's really depend on you. Here you go. I think I'm happy with this. You can add more, absolutely, yes, as you wishes. So let it set for just seconds, and I'm gonna do is condensed glue gel. Each nails I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna finish everything, so then that way we can get an idea of it, how cool and how easy, simple, fast you can apply it on. And with this one, I am going to use this flowers. You can using the same green. Try using a green, like the same matching colors, or I can use this.
You can do the flower and just
green crystal.
Just decorate it.
And then I need one of the flowers. This one you can absolutely find from all of this except fusioning. That is $5 crystal nail art. It's so much fun. I'm so obsessed with that section. It's like, oh, it's so much to play with. Sorry, I will drop it.
I'll do it. I'll take it.
How everyone doing on Friday? Happy Friday. Are you glad it's Friday? So I am going to do it no wipe top coat on the top. Okay, I think I missed CC comment.
CC asked if you have some 3D flower to do encapsulated with.
Oh yes, CC, yes, absolutely, we do. Stay tuned, love. Yep, so many of them we're encapsulating with. You'll be so in love with this. Tomorrow we have so many. Sorry, my hand it keep getting in the way though. All right, let's see what we're gonna have. I love this flower. See how nice and it curves into the nails like that. And no, I was showing that. It's just so curved right in. I didn't want to put anything else on it to take it away from super cute. Let's see, I'm gonna play with this. I've been using a lot of this from this crystal jar, the mini baby mix. They're so fun to play with. And I didn't want to cover whole entire the fusion ink. Somehow I'm not on that. Are you on that account? Can you share for me? Can someone help me share to the group so then anyone available can't able to join tuning in? All right, looks really good. It flattened right on the nails. We have so many clients who are asking for this 3D too, and I usually have to really sitting so long to pre-made those. This is a lifesaver, or is it time saver, lifesaver, however you think. There you go. So if you like it, you can absolutely add more on it. One more big ones right there. You see how fast I can do? Like you see I had to like do it different, and this is double like petals. All right, so if you're happy with this, we are going to cure this baby for 60 seconds. I'm gonna add a couple more crystal right there, too close to the cuticle area. Great, so I'm curing it for 60 seconds.